Hi, this is Ms. Anderson, and today I'm going to show you how to put the parts of the wheel together. I'm going to go over here to the cutting tool, and I'm going to carefully drag this down. I'm going to deselect. I'm going to select both parts, and I'm going to align them according to length and width. They're still selected, so now I'm going to group them. I'm going to go to the center of this cutting wheel, and I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to select both parts, and I'm going to align them according to length and width. With them still selected, I'm now going to group. While it's still selected, I'm going to use my left arrow to slide it over. I'm going to deselect. I'm going to reselect both parts, and I'm going to align them according to length, width, and height. While they're both selected, I'm going to group them, and if they change color, let's go ahead and go back to multicolor. Now I'm going to click the spoke, and I don't want to distort it, so I'm going to slide it over with my right arrow. I'm going to deselect, select all parts, and we're going to align this in 3 ways: length, width, and height. Do not group the parts. Deselect. All right, now I'm going to select this piece, and I'm going to hit Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to click here on this arrow, and I want to go from 0 degrees to 36 degrees. Right now it's a little hard for me to get to that 0, so I'm going to manually drag it. And if I get farther away, it'll be easier for me to reach 36 degrees. Then I let go. I'm going to hold the Control key down, and I'm going to hit D, D, D. Now I'm going to deselect. I'm going to select all parts, and I'm going to group them. I'm going to come over here to the cylinder. I'm going to grab it in the center. I'm going to scoot it right towards the center. I'm going to select all parts, and I'm going to align it in 3 ways according to length and width and height. Once I do that, I'm now going to group all. I'm going to click the cylinder, and I'm going to carefully drag it over. Deselect. I'm going to select all parts, and I'm going to align it in 3 ways: length, width, and height. With all parts selected, I'm now going to group, deselect. I'm going to hold down the right side of my mouse, and I'm just going to spin this so you can see that there's a hole through that, and that will allow me to put a wire through the center so that I can put an axle on the wheel. All right, I hope you found that helpful, and I hope you have a good time making your wheel and you're successful. Thanks for watching.